Mede de Isaac Odwampo, but you family the great temple and bring one man come on here too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Na me so me I'm more fire. Mede de Isaac Odwampo, but you family the great temple and bring one man come on here too much G8. Too much G8, more
too much GH. We are boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH.
Too much GH. Me did I go say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Every year for me mama aqua bastronko ever to my GH so. And I'm a Obuswa Enidina ebre as to say o my emu ensem. There won't hear the dika. Maybe ever so more them the trending issues maybe need here and some no emu people. Everything for video be about pointing at video no emu no ye man penny at abe what is so here nana kupu Addo na pese video ni muno and conform more anybody is shano wo ba wo ka wo no envelope brown envelope edema man penny na we tie emu ensem at na wo mo ka na quite said here according to opposition party no ademudie ana mampeni ade efi wo bai and the platform video no make sure mo make dey so many editor na answer na no ye go video no emra sia
I'm not seeing you. So much.
Papa, me work for I'm not there for a day or you may not a day or Kuhu and Chama. Sankana or a day t-shirts be a more professor at the blow. Now, and Chama here and the I don't know. Or that's what says in one by night that I know you said behind you. You could director for a transport ministry. Transport. This is the opposite of highway. That's right. Yeah. And then civil servants more efforts and kind.
And you want to hear this month, we have realized that I am you're meeting the wrong people.
And afraid that the first business is the number child now is as a worker. So then the t-shirts in the car.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say.
But this
If I told me brain, I didn't buy it. I'll let you do that.
yeah, Nana. I'm saying, I'm ready. Mini the Tana Canal de Moa. Yes, yeah, Mama Buzia Fee. Me throw videos be our training and have military for. Since then, no. Yeah, I'm saying, workload in our city. I say, we went to Obama money. Said, yeah, Omobuana, the Adeno. And me drew. So when I say no, young come mama home, young cobona money, Ebia, don't say or muy dear. I will say Ebia proposals be or Nimna, the Adina, Yaman Kitty Bia. He said, Person should be bois. Boya mania, and say the soup. Now, Mwaka cry betting at the abuano, nay a bois. Say, I'm not by your baby, so I could say more. 40,000. I did a catches and they are actually no more beer will be a betting me communicate.
Okay.
Oh, so I need to have a name.
Yeah.
So tell me you live here.
Yeah.
How's your Fauzia?
Fauzia.
S-A-W-Z-I.
Yes. Oh, fantastic. And the t-shirts.
1,000 t-shirts.
And the t-shirts in the say, oh, yeah, champion of fun. So they cook the quite as much as none as he hot I
okay,
and our graduates will hear more.
So you take it to him.
T-shirts, we had already given some out. They'll say we haven't met the right.
Yeah, but he needs all the help.
Yeah, he does.
Is it just of me and him? What is it? Just me? The t-shirts.
Yeah, you and Baumia. Yeah. Or should I go and bring two samples so that you see the samples?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Especially for them.
Mr. Eugene, may you eat sample? Yeah,
it's okay.
For a video no and the daily apple video for 2 for more dear and if I call no more a back home yet ambassador for the United States, Ghana's ambassador to the United States, and a dear Monsono Alaji Abbas, Nigeria enemy Yabema. Now the purpose for the meeting, the Omoko Shemoka na efa ama buzi and investors to be at its Wumko and Komo and now a year or Miano. Addo Alaji Abbas, Director of Urban Road, and send me to that and go for be time no need the Keka home at the worker and go for only in free position one more. And no crampo and send a brown envelope no ebemu. Na no na say NDC amanu kono ebi ato the allegations the same and penny will be a preaching against corruption a ban sign and our office the office of the presidency within my fine Emma for Papa eyi sika edisi etete eyi skefu omo ho edi ma na wo so mu na tete wo jitu na tete when mu a preaching against mo wa acting in that same way they was for the ekika ho eni tete na asem no 80% ya tonsa edi afa NDC wo mo communicators back na wo mra no metre mu se wo mo to mu no ni se wo mo kan die na ya te ye ho afa ni ti Nana of 32 Abidona effort go too for no no mind that we go no to pedi bi o ha say just say the wedding come the upper and semina and say the call and come on ka hu ni say jumeko I so ya say I'm here to make Abramo, Mama Juliet Benton. Mama Juliet about the kitchen where any of them must still won't cut yet, any how and could be ya. But a number no net friend of Precope, or better also 24/7 or available. If you must know loan master, woman so as I say, now so we are government worker, or affordability, now if you must know what you are catching, Eddie FA controller and account office. One more edit here with two friends. The Capudobia Upebiano, Omakuku at the amount in 24 hours, and also over to me, happen I say with project, Niti Pentempa, Nepromo. Now need roofing, so one more effort I say, one more dance so emanate a year. Bombing near my a year, or 3202 for Aquaba, more Aquabo.
Yeah, one, Bobby.
Now me have to know here. If you are Boko Wafa.
Yeah,
Now, since these days, brother, I can't relate. Ninti since they see a na embra video be beto ja o ma pagem was through and our man penny and a corruption yet and I may buy me to corruption I say and a more part say that video you say acquire on nam so energy envelope name for money in codiation na mood na so the castle man penny adiate mudie I didn't know more can sir
I'm charged before. Now, you said all over the world.
yeah
I'm charged with it. And one said, we started as a now elections.
I said I can't say this. It was a very critical moment. Say anything
by elections.
By elections, so because
Wow.
it can harm the party.
Now, what they wouldn't say, if you are in politics, if you are doing politics, one number of the Yahudi, the Yahoo, the Yahoo, the Yahoo, and also. So, also by politics. Yeah, it is not about NDC and NPP.
Okay.
As someone Abbey, maybe you want a president, a great summit.
Now we know that.
Many is an also war.
Social media na air trend.
And you know, as someone is here, it should tell you, say, the closet, the inner circle will be called.
Okay.
And you obviously you are so that I can say, we are doctor, we are revenue. The time because I find elections when they say, we is a minute to win. I dear any Awawa, and he said, the soil of farm, the Mama Babon, he said. In Kuala Lumpur University coming academic year, first years in our school is Wapa. So, I know they have Awawa. I know we are occupied only. Nanado and corruption. The other time I told you, say it will be extremely difficult for even Jesus Christ to fight a Kufuor when it comes to corruption.
Hey,
yes, and what could be winning? Then another have known in private life as a lawyer. It's different from the another I'm seeing now.
okay.
And one of those things. Let's say I'm 105 scandals. I need to go every day. What do you say? Why are so engulfed in corruption? Say people are not even interested to talk about things like this anymore. Because every morning another scandal, every day another scandal. And they say do election time will be a couple of example. Every election time not going by. And our voting day, so calendar.
Oh, calendar.
And she said, "Why not? Every elections we has got nothing to do with bread and butter issues. Ghana, I family and friends are all here. Oh, Nipa also go to one. Oh, body.
Me bo Alhaji Abbas.
Alhaji Abbas.
Director of Urban Roads.
Thank you.
Mejewe. Mejewe brother. And you're doing to know Ghana's ambassador to the United States.
Alhaji Abbas. Alhaji Abbas, director of Urban Roads.
Yeah.
And you know, directly, or appointed by the president. And the year brother. How did they even get access to the president in the first place? All family and friends now can. Obama Kono, and I'm new position to all access to the president. All Kono far, the brother can. And now Ghana's ambassador to the United States, a company. And no can. Also, one Madam Mama Buzia.
Bachelor one.
Or no, late Professor Buzia, President Buzia, Prime Minister Buzia, or UP tradition, or a member of the Council of State. What kind of characters are we parading as leaders? Why? And then NBC has got nothing to do with this. We are not even happy and enthused about this because Mama, what is a papa about Jamie Luka? One man who uncle that no
And okasi yakochina. We know that even say we say we Mampini at the General, he's the flag bearer of the NPP party. And aside that no, we can call them members of the NPP.
So it was an NPP meeting.
Yes, and
it
would have
what
been
was the
a
NPP
party.
doing there? What was the NPP doing there?
Your campaign season.
So they gave him the money to do what?
Your campaign season.
So they gave him the money.
I'm asking you a question. Is it not campaign season?
Thank you, my dear. So they should have taken the money to the campaign office. Go and give it to Magmenu, Samuel Uku, John Gwedu, or Kejimfua. Here we say a pure party something. But if the president sits down, no only the campaign office, he sat down as the president and collected the money. If indeed he collected it, you get it. And so when you make you bring the office of the high office of the president into set kind of things, who can cast for seat? So what's president? And go for the campaign, and go for the diabo. Obi a president of Congo for years on the or really president say next year was on it wanting more $100,000.
How much is $40,000?
How much is $40,000 to the president?
Yes.
You should be asking yourself, and we should be asking the president, why do you sit down for you to be compromised in such a manner? Let me ask you something.
Okay, go on.
I won't say that Papa Missing of the Tata.
And yet, or cut on the community, but I'll say, after they envy him in his position.
That means that he fears he will be taken off. Because that means that it's coming from the MP. Because NSR, or NBC or Chabontino, or no appointing officer, the NBC has no power to appoint or disappoint anybody.
True.
Or saying, it means it's coming from the NPP. So he has to go and see the president. Who is the final seat? And you tell me $40,000 is no money.
It's just a gift because
how much
if you are going to bribe the president, the whole president,
you see my problem with journalists in Africa. You call this one a gift.
It's a question.
Okay, your mama. Oma will be contract.
Okay.
And a different chair in African form. Everybody for the Magana. For the Napisio. And I asked my it came out, said, Council and your mama car in for money private. Now, where am I going to closet? I got $40,000. Who say, gift.
Okay. Aside political affiliations, no, this is the case of the violation of the president's rights and then the privacy on the office. Because how can you record the president in his office whilst he's in the business?
When Anas went about recording people and we were condemning Anas, when we called GIJ, journalism communication, so when we were telling them this is unprofessional, they were defending Anas.
Anas is a journalist.
So whoever recorded the president, do you even know whether the president is a journalist? Only people in the presidency, including the president, and for a similar offense.
Okay.
That was also secretly recorded by somebody. What I say?
Okay.
And who even knows, say, Anas such a president from Barry, just like what happened to the president. What is the difference?
Okay. Manasseh Azuri, journalist, Nanka or Tai Ekasa. Eddie Emma party like or type not type or Kasa. Yes, he's a fair person. He's a fair person.
For you, Manasseh will be fair for me.
Fair for me. Okay, but say on standing at one side.
I don't know.
He doesn't have any political affiliation.
I don't know.
For what we know, he doesn't have any political affiliation. But this issue came and or they right up the above. So we're putting them a kind of right up the Kakrana to say, Yashe will be up on say. We must hold our leaders accountable when they go wrong. But it's also our duty to protect them when they become victims of malicious propaganda. If you gloat today because it happened to your political opponent, it will one day happen to you. As a statement we make.
The same hypocrite Manasseh and the cover of your mama for that Bible. This same Manasseh. Did he protect your mama then? Did he protect him?
He's a journalist.
I am coming. So he should allow other journalists to talk about the book on his own. Did he protect President Techi? Did he?
He is not protecting the book.
Why is he saying we should protect him?
He is not saying we should.
Because he thinks that people have some malicious intention that is why they recorded the president.
Now, when we do some this is the election debate.
No.
Okay.
That is why they recorded the president according to what you just read.
Yeah.
According to Manasseh. And I'm telling you that the same Manasseh, 10 days to elections, brought the fourth standard. The same Manasseh. You see double standards. The same Manasseh. And then he's sitting there saying to protect the people. Wow. I said, who is my president?
The man this issue looking different from the fourth case. The fourth case, it was a foreigner, someone from Cote d'Ivoire, and also a contractor.
Mm-hmm.
And see, for that matter, or a foreigner contractor. So tell me,
never bribery.
Wait,
thank you very much.
Anyway, they are party members.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Chief director, or a party member. Obi or your public servant. As in a human who channel. And go for me.
I don't know what kind you take.
No one can hear it.
I don't know what kind. It's a discussion. Anything could come up.
Say me, my contact.
Okay.
My contact, I will access to the president. No, come as a match now. And because in command energy. Now, contact in your know, ever rules or anyone will get to na contact.
Okay.
You get it. And so, or no, may I presume the money was sent by Aquano or ever rules or because Osman Akontano to go and talk to the president on his behalf. And they went with the Ghana ambassador to the US. Probably only what access to the president because he's an ambassador. And then the president has been recorded. And then instead of telling him what he has done is wrong, you Manasseh, you sit on social media and say we should protect him. How? Protect the people how?
Not protect him, but protect the
his
fact
office.
that protect the fact that his rights have been violated.
When somebody gave your mama a gift, or betting a fact, and he gave it to the state.
Did he tell us?
Yes. That is how come the car is still there. Manasseh investigating. Manasseh should have gone further to see where the car has been found. Whether the car it has been declared. You understand? He didn't. Okay. He just got rid of the information and then wanted to. He saw it as a scoop and jumped on it and decided to publish it. When we were going 10 days to elections. 10 days to elections.
But now, as it was done to you,
no.
Okay.
I am a trained journalist.
Okay.
And I am against anybody who calls somebody without consent.
Okay.
Even if I speak to you on phone and you call me. And I hear the conversation somewhere, I'll fight it. You know why? It is supposed to be private.
Okay.
I am against that. Is why I have supported Kwesi Nkechi up to now. Yes, that is me. My party can be against Kwesi Nkechi. I support him because I don't see why you should go and record anybody under any circumstance without the person's consent. Because we are friends, we have acquaintances. Look at who the president has fallen victim. Because the president probably trusted the people around, people who came to him. And now the video is out. How did the person even go close to the president with the camera or a phone? When you are supposed to be scanned, near Joe, including your watch, extra wanting before you enter the platform. How did it happen that somebody will go to where the president is with the camera and say, come on, you know that?
Yes.
This is not about the president. It's about Ghana. In as much as I condemn what the president has done, I don't think anybody has the right to record anybody, not only the president. Why should I have a private conversation with you and you record me? You kept telling him about something, then you go and you record the man. Give him an answer and record him. BNI should call everybody who was at that meeting. National security should, if indeed it is true, national security to invite them for them to tell Ghanaians why they recorded the president. Can you go and record Donald Trump? You can't do that. Who were with the president are opening an access with their cameras there to go and record the president.
Okay. You know, one of some of one more address, one more Eddie Abba. Real Sir David, I said this isn't bribery. Or not, they will say he's the flag bearer of the NPP. Star Block also Eddie Abba say, oh no, I choke crowd say it's a gift wife. Emmanuel Amo, I say it's only 80 people that are watching you. Oh, okay. Mame say what Star Block, I say Nana is corrupt indeed. Teflon Don, I say president came in to fight corruption, but he's corrupt himself. No Ghanaian president can be faithful. Star Block, you must say NPP is corrupt because NDC is more corrupted than the world. Okay. Glossy, I say it wasn't bribe. It was just a gift. Star Block, I say, but Nana Addo bribe in your office, hey, like he make them come in house. Okay, or not but still for more for Nana to take more gifts. Anna carry or say a fake news. Video no approve or to watch a video no every. Glossy so Eddie about say this gift goes on in every party in which the entity is first and good at it. James Donko or say, I know it's because of election they are doing this. Okay. Emmanuel Adam to say stop all this. It's not going to help you NDC people. Glossy to say this accusation will not change anything about people's decision of whom they are going to vote for because we know that the election is close and fake issues will come out. But let's not else forget Papa no. Emmanuel Adam to say look for God. Yeah, glossy to say this is not bribe in any way. Stop it, NDC. Mark Beju or say, okay, stop talking rubbish. This was a gift before 2016 election. Okay. All right. And you will share a comment again to see. I be more video way 2016 video. Nana Utiemi. Yeah, almost say 2016.
7. Wow, Kasami. So we need your kind
Also, will be na can have in
I don't make us all more trust and to your ultra. There are 18 years. What's say 2016? Let's even assume that admission said 2016. Should the president then, a presidential candidate, sit and talk about somebody at urban rules? What power does he have then? Oh, this is very simple logic. Who catch him say 2016? Who the panel say 2016? He said 2016 now. Why was the person talking about his office? That is one. Two, was Nanadu having an ambassador to the US in 2016? Was the president to have an ambassador? No. So why do you see when people want to reduce national issues to politics and you say I will, you know something? I've been saying this and I will say this. I am very happy that Nanadu has come to disgrace himself as a president. I am very, very happy because one also why politics for 40 something years. He is not corrupt, nobody can say this. And to the extent that people question us and all these things, he has come, he has shown that he is the most corrupt politician in Africa.
Then because he's in the office of the president, so people are saying, okay, I want to donate to your cause. I want to give to your cause. So
the NPP officially should come and tell us it was a gift to the president or for their campaign. Then we keep quiet.
Now, so me suggested that at the beginning.
You suggested, you speak for them.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
Let the party come out and tell us what actually happened. Say a gifter. Then why did the person record the person? And those who are saying it's 2016, no. Why is the video out now 4 years now? I've been in this video how? Video 12. People vote. My grandmother in my village has not been seen. She's not on the internet.
Okay, but still, this video could be anything. So you are going around about donation, according to you, say a sign of corruption, a corrupt nature.
Yes.
And not sure.
Because it's not the first time.
No problem. Say when you will be. Okay. But in Yemuno, review has say, why are your communicators standing on it to reduce the presidency, like to reduce
since when did you and others know that they have to respect the office of the president? Since when Akufo-Addo and Bawumia were calling Mahama the incompetent, when Bawumia was calling Mahama the useless president, when Akufo-Addo called Professor Military, when he is a minister, not Nelson, he was a president. Offered Bawumia, not the highest deputy governor of Bank of Ghana. No offered John Mahama a president. The incompetent Mahama. Did you people come out to tell Ghanaians that we should respect the presidency? Because it is an Addo. We should respect him. We will respect him as a human being. But because he doesn't respect the office his own time, we will help him to disobey the office. We will help him. Who now want to bribe left and right? Who here Japan? Tisa what for? So for who now? Who now finance minister? The beer goes to Ghana. You can afford that and you want them to respect it. Let me tell those posting. Let me tell those posting these things that it is not about MPKs. It is about the character, the person behind the name of people. Me na go Japan. PDS gonna be here. Car position gonna be here. Boss scandal gonna be here. Gonna be here.
All these scandals are what so Japan or any if you know BDS. When it came out, the investigations go
Why would I investigate?
Say about out a
So
lawyer.
who investigated?
If it was to be a corruption scandal, there's some person I didn't know a planting. I'm sure that it wouldn't have come out. But it was because
you
of
know something.
Okay.
You know something. We are in an era where there is
okay.
The internet is there. Internet doesn't see. Two. We have parliament and we have NDC MPs in parliament. So when you send documents to parliament, it becomes a public document. People sit in their offices at the Plaza House and work on the documents. You think they are all MPs?
And the royalty deals was accepted in parliament before.
Because MPP have the majority in parliament. Or you have forgotten. Because they have the majority, they voted. NDC walked out, or you were not in Ghana yet. Yes, we walked out. We did not sit down for them to finish with anything concerning the parliament. They left parliament for them and they passed the law. Why is the president saying they should take it back to them? If there is nothing wrong with that, why has Martin resigned? Why?
Okay, you know, be as a kind of so only McVeigh will say, okay, Star Block, I think McVeigh is after 2016. Why? Can't you see he's in office? Okay, or reply a year, McVeigh do know. And as Spring Paul say it's never true. This man takes bribes. So where was this video? Now close to elections, they are revealing them. Always wanting human downfall. How can we move on? Abba, Adena, Muye Yensa. Abu Bakari said you after AJB Abba was say, see you people's character. It's not a bribe. You think we are okay, well, should I and Star Block also say, so for more for Nana. When we must say Nana would use this money for SHS and JM would have used to buy his Kenyan girlfriend a new mansion and Ferrari. Albert Ata Kwanzaa, when you take off corrupt John Mahama, when you talk of corruption, John Mahama is a kingpin in the history of Ghana. Albert Ata Kwanzaa say, okay, please stop your propaganda. Only say propaganda. And I go yeah, I was say now to the comment no AC work. Now say Abba was so heavy. Okay. Okay, you won't come on so have you. A TV show. Say, see our video here about out more. Any the Muslim king, do you think that it will have any effect on the outcome of the election?
Ghanaians, I have one vote. You have one vote.
True.
And so whatever people look at to vote differs varies from anything they are. Obi, just like the NPP people posting saying that any of that as usual. We have to defend things they cannot. Okay. I'm not surprised. Okay. And so it's such people who don't think about the nation will not look at this anything. But the discerning voter will sit and ask himself, why Nana? My dear, so we are saying. Not that we are, we say you. Nanya no cry. Nipa you know to me wrong at the same time. It's where this for the people.
I say, oh man, for my crown, one of my promoting.
Japan's way. Yeah.
Japan, they say investigations and assessment.
PDS.
PDS, but now they didn't move. I can't say now. Now they do most of the bus branding.
Bus branding. The girl was Selassie Dine was made to found the money. And let me tell you something. Bus branding is an amount to 2022.
Let him move to me because of that scandal. Now we have a 2 NPP for that scandal. My dear,
let me tell you something.
Okay.
There is no alternative to NPP than NDC. There is no alternative to NPP than NDC.
Now for the same corruption here too. Now NPP still the same corruption.
NPC was never corrupt. The Mama J. Abukapri or one who na political J. And the city of J. And not with my J. MP Kakoma. The body now the door. Sit down. Mention ministers. National Minister hometown, Minister hometown. My friends on the block now are almost sending messages. I beg you, just give us the list of ministers in their hometown. There is another who can fight corruption. You cannot.
But that whole party say only ministers from all the regions here in Ghana.
They say Nana will 100 and something ministers. Any deputy minister. Control will be a few number. I did not say that region here in minister. But control will be a few number. It's not even about Eastern region. And then Eastern region about the achievement. Go and check how many people are in position from CEO to the one man about appointment, one man the ex-wife appointment. One almost everybody. Why? Nina Bonti, left and right, everything is involved. Gabi is involved in almost everything. Kanopuriata, the company, the bank, the investment bank, the data bank. Almost everything that Ghana does, they are involved. The insurance company, enterprise insurance, everything Ghana is involved. Why?
Is it not a Ghanaian state of minister of state?
My dear,
and
when John Mahama never appointed anybody from his family, and then never mentioned one from Amania, and I will pass one and mention
Ghanaians know, say, Mahama, everyone knows to know most of the construction contracts. No, it can
but mention one contract, one contract that was given to the United States, one. Just mention one.
Oh, Bisa.
Yes.
Oh, Bisa.
Yes.
Almost all of them.
Listen, mention one. Almost all of them. And I'm saying mention one. One contract that was given to Ryan Mama, engineers and planners. All dredging or done for free, people were insulting me. But or river, or dredging for free. Mention one contract that was given to Ryan. One. Engineers and planners. Just one. Thank you.
Because we know that most of
and
them.
I'm saying mention one. You see, this perception. You sitting here, you have gone beyond perception. You should be able to tell us what happened. Mention one point.
Okay, what about the former UT Bank CEO Kofi Amobeni, the latest release on the bank say
Ibrahim Mahama
yes.
The bank. Ibrahim is a private person. Was Ibrahim a minister?
His brother was the president, and
so
he went to take.
Was UT Bank a government bank?
It wasn't a government bank. The Bank of Ghana and the brand or the manager.
Bank of Ghana cannot give you directions or instructions to give anybody more. So what Ibrahim Mahama Jinona, he should arrest Ibrahim and take his money. Simple. Ibrahim Mahama, the richest person, the youngest richest person in Africa. Now the brother being president. So Mahama was a minister, a deputy minister for communication. Ibrahim started engineers and planners. Now the brother, no plan Ghana, no more politics. People should just sit. Who is Ibrahim Mahama? Ibrahim Mahama is the nephew of Dr. Nautawaku, founder of Léaked. And so Ibrahim is not a poor boy. Ibrahim has never been poor. And then you're a man in Esther. Engineers and planners are starting to go and
okay, so the commander ABC and Sanata said, and some debate no mame emphasize some of the key comments Abana Yemfa Eti George Akoto Otif JM has won the elections. Albert Atta in which country? And so George Akoto. Okay, one of you under NPP free water, light, SHS and more. Nana oh Nana, the Game Boy no size. Comfort Asiro say lies, it will not help anything. Never again, dead goat. Emmanuel Owusu Mreku or say a fake news. Video proof and people we need already. Isaac Nana or say matter come on for them and so what? And Star Block will say his family deserves the appointment though. My brother, stop lies. A Japan is not a scandal. How much does NDP? Okay, how much does NDP you ama at to get for me? But my question is any clearance and make me every time here. Glossy. I say, do you think this video brought out will go against Nana Addo now? Okay, I think the Star Block FBA. The question was say how much does NDC pay you? I think this is the NDC for much kind.
Let me tell you.
Oh, they might now Prince Boat to say NDC devil appointment, you will never come to power again. Okay, any question.
Let me tell you something. I am a journalist by profession. I work at Parliament House.
Okay.
I am a public servant and I have businesses to run. I do NDC for fun. NDC doesn't pay me. NDC is a socialist party, and I'm a socialist. Nobody in NDC is paid to do what we are doing. We are not like NPP. Among just small boys, plaster house, commandos now, or multi workers. We are not like that. NDC doesn't pay me. You see, talks like this. NDC, how much does NDC pay me? To tell you that Addo is corrupt. You know the effect of corruption on the society. You know the effect. People are killed when they uncover corruption. Ahmed Swali or whatever. What happened to Ahmed Swali? Where is he?
He's dead.
Yes. Yes, you and I, your journalism will tell you how much people suffer because they have uncovered corruption. You think corruption is just about somebody stealing money. No. It affects the school child at Bungubu Yoyo because we tell Musika, any school uniform Musika, any PSHS Adrianica. You can sit down and what's another kind of PSHS? Shame on you. None of you go PSHS and then call a double tracker, a traffic light school. All you are going to be even if we are corrupt, say, and on your PSHS, I don't want you to talk about.
I think we're here. I am home. I only say, John Mahama. I am more qualified than us, but much better in terms of.
Don't compare Mama and Nana. Mama is not corrupt. Nana is corrupt. Don't compare them two. Don't why do you compare an apple to an orange?
Seriously, I go for NDC.
It is not about people. It is not about people. Then the people writing these things. It is about Ghanaians who vote.
But most Ghanaians have the perception that NDC a rogue, like they will do anything to gain power. We share from even Okutan Popo or the league.
Okutan Popo don't know if it is true.
I said the same. I've been a forensic analysis from Israel. I've been about I say 90%.
90%. Shame on them. NPP. Okutan Popo is the leading chairman of the leading opposition party in Ghana. I don't know if they have that.
They needed the proof. And they say the proof now by
so
on the 30th of November.
So they should go ahead and give me this. We are in Ghana, yes, so we come
here. Everything for maybe extra for no and seven no emu ayedin pa enwanu so ba na omade omadwe nche eba abetakwan to say NDC is an organization full of lies and propaganda, but trust me, it won't work. Stop it. Stop it. Star block so NDB about say how much does NDC pay you? But only said you. I get in an answer. I'll say I don't think it's what we are seeing, because NDC can do anything to win power. Okay. Prince Boat or say yes, they need to collect the car you stole from Castle. Or just an answer or say they have edited some to make it look bad. Felix Mensa or say why do you want to equalize cheap bribe Mahama to Nana? Nana can never be corrupt, can't you see? Prince Boat or say Apu Mahama corrupt man. I have seen him in Ghana. Glossy Gloss or say NDC is non-far party. A Japan Kwabena or say you are 419 man on the wall. Star Block or say let's not forget they are confirmed. Glossy or say NDC is rather corrupt. David Mensa or say NDC is socialite by name, not deeds. All the social intervention were done by NPP, and you, NDC, is not ashamed to claim credit for those interventions. Isaac Nana, say my beautiful sister, NDC always lies. Augustina and Tosin Nana, tell your guests to stop what he's saying. Prince Boat, or say Mahama used Ghanaians' money buying cars for women. Now, Augustina Saturday chat or say there's no proof. Didi, Obia Bisa, Muamuye corruption clean. I confirm case no most still now which that my explanation baby I confirm no ewono and I say I'm one day I confirm Mahama koto free Burkina Faso by Adenaka ebe Buama Ghana
anyway
when the woman say me auntie e chira sem dia
Nanado onya opportunity to be president no say so but obey president corruption cases no way one last Oba, 100% with me.
That's how we could come quiet. Every of my room,
the percent of Georgie's can go to Angono. Say, I'm far. The percent empty government in the
Oh, there's an empty thing in the man in Pola. Who are NDC communicator, maybe South and confirm no more.
Let me get involved in this.
Hey.
More and you people.
Hey, I think we are bad at it.
We deal with facts. We don't deal with things that people want to see. Every big power. None of the statistical people come here. Ghana no Yama. Oba Oba Busa. But we also have Bank of Ghana on purpose. And so no, in the history of Ghana, since Kwame Nkrumah created Ghana, Omona Abo Busa we cannot tell us what they have done for 4 years.
But the ban of social interventions are they Oma Yebebre.
They did it.
One district, one factory.
Maybe we're a chamber.
Oh, one district, one factory. And most of the eastern regions.
Message chamber. Eastern region.
Well, pineapple factory. Okay, mention my catch up. And if you must know, aside that, no more one village, one dam. Most of the northern regions.
No one be now or minister for special initiative. I'm sorry, I'm coming to or see ye tikare dia mo no this e to dam this to do hand that okay
but northern regions for na bi will be at the benefit in the northern regions
dam
yes one village one dam yeah okay mate and ebiem to no the popular one no PSHS
is the best policy in the history of Ghana. Good. But it has been the worst thing that has happened to Ghana. A blessing, but the worst thing because they implement, the Nadu have the plan, but that doesn't have the implementation plan.
This is a moon chapter. I didn't know the flag bearer, say, or no, and the vision for a year, PSHS, or no, the PSHS by. I don't know what I take us and them
Napo buy or say. The mama progressive PSHS and the cabinet have been used of the case for about the clear. As one started progressive PSHS and then also the capital one. Simple. So Napo, go and ask Napo this question. Say updating or say 2014-2015 academic year because of progressive PSHS. The mama has a backlog of debt and will minister of education. Why did you say that? The mama never said why PSHS. Until he started with the progressive one, the community-based schools that is built 112 and community 46. That can go well.
Yeah, the common eight is our final words, Mr. Pastor Yasha for any 84.
And Ghana security services are for about. We wish them all the best. We security personnel first now for about that. No kind and boost I come of last half house and people invisible force. We are no kind of new way 3 days ago war. Michelle Camp for no I say Nanado Nesma. We a security person now to about no I say another local captain. We also the near or see or you have to work for him. No share no. Ghana ni Oko 12 Dima. Kai say, Senanado to PSHS about 1 year, over the trophy. You know about that, so even nobody the PSHS in Bono University, but we get for Kai said to Mama say, there we invested that I will make him pay. Now, what you have, or one first academic year, next academic year, September, level 100 for the Mama absorb school fees now with school fees. And then there was also one father. And then another, who did another year, Sikon made PSHS, or just what you mean, Sika or another API. But Kenopoyata, that there's a Richard Bonti, and attach the family and friends. Cananado, the body now for the airport, a man there also, or the creative arts industry, a man there also. If you are another mission account, you have an idea, the mission account. Let's go to NTP out with that.
It was for now and that day, Nana or say to two, the donor FNO2 for our NBC for communicator, Bako and I'm not to check and come up. Nancy, you did me, no AC make. I won't subscribe here. No, but more dear, I subscribe. No, I'm following. I will a year, Instagram, your Twitter handles at too much GH_. Facebook also and you too much GH. Nana ama Owutua anything. I mean, Yatuma, the better 80 shot in Macron.